Airstream, this would be considered like the pinnacle of quality when it comes to travel trailers. I don't think you can get a better group of people who own these and a better company to buy one from. One of the reasons they are what they are is because of quality. Back in the day, Wally Bynum decided he wanted to make something that not only stuck out, but it was something that was recognizable. And I'm thinking everybody knows what an Airstream is. Some of the things that they do to build a product that is what it is they like to control as much of production as possible. They try to build as much of this in-house as they can. This is literally raw materials until Airstream gets their hand on it. This shell that they build, the floor that they build, and the cabinets inside are all raw materials. The way Airstream starts this build off is they actually build their shell, which is designed to be like the fuselage of an airplane. If it's good in the sky, it's good on the ground, right? Then they take that shell that they've built and actually lift it and set it on the floor and then conjoin those two together. Everything on the inside of an Airstream is built inside of the Airstream. If it doesn't fit through the door, they don't bring it in. All your cabinets and everything are not prefabricated. They're all built for this specific unit. Colors, fit, finish, those are specific to the floor plans, but truly this is all built by master cabinet makers in-house. Everybody who touches an Airstream, they have 700-800 people who work at the factory who produce this from start to finish. Every single one of them is a quality control specialist, meaning everybody who touches this has quality control in mind. One of the things Airstream does on all of their layouts is they put something as simple as a backup camera on it. Might seem like something small. Nobody else does that. That's something Airstream does for their customers because they want this to be the most user-friendly experience possible. Airstream uses their own specific awning called a Zip-D. Again, they want to control production so they can control quality. They want something that's not only neat and unique, but they want something that performs well in any situation. A couple of things to hit on right when you walk in. Of course, looks different, feels different than anything else in its class. All of these cabinets, everything you see in here were all raw materials until Airstream brought them through the door and built them in place. As you'll notice, these big windows as you walk in also gives you great visibility. As you can see, there's going to be multiple windows throughout the unit. Airstream wants great visibility, but they also want privacy. These are tinted, so it's not so easy to see in, even though you can see out. That tinting also works because you want to keep your temperature low, keep this unit comfortable no matter what the climate is that you're camping in. This unit gives you a beautiful full-size bed, nice corner bed. Good thing about this is you have a lot of usable space in a 19-foot floor plan. This unit has a full-size bathroom, not the 2-in-1 with the toilet in the shower. You actually have some separation and again, a lot of usable space even though we're only in a 19-foot footprint. So this floor plan is one of 4 in the Bambi lineup. They also do the Caravelle. There's a lot to choose from when it comes to Airstream. Nick Gaskin at BretzRV and Marine, here to show you the Airstream. Let us know if we can do anything for you.